the burning pain, listening to your harp on about some new soulmate. She's so perfect, blah blah blah. Oh, how I wish you wake up one day, run to me, confess your love. At least just let me say that when I talk to you, oh Cupid walks right through and shoots an arrow through my heart. And I sound like a loon, but don't you feel it to confess I love you from the start. Baby, da ba da ba da. What's a girl to do, lying on my bed staring into the blue? Unrequited, terrifying love is driving me a bit insane. I have to get this off my chest. I'm telling you today that when